Hello everyone, welcome to Marcus Coding Class. Today we're going to learn how to create this app called Human Scan, which we're going to do right now. It's very simple. It asks you a bunch of questions and it determines how kind and unkind you are. It asks what is your name, what's your favorite color, and how old are you. Would you choose helping a beggar on the streets or B, helping an orphanage? I'm going to choose A. Would you choose playing or football or B, playing basketball? I like playing football. And now it says, Micah, you are 9% kind and 91% unkind. So let's create that right now. So we're going to go to our coding editor and open a new file. So I'm going to go to where I want to save it and say index.html. So I'm going to start coding. So I'm going to say human scan by Micah. So if we save that, go back to where we save that, open the file, and it says human scan by Micah. So let's see what we need to do. We're going to say human scan game, and we're going to do this. So here we're going to say h1 human scan game, and over here we're gonna say span. Inside that span we're gonna have a span and give that span an ID of name. So we're going to say you are span, and we're going to give this an ID of React percent kind, and then we're going to say span, and inside that span we're going to say and span with an ID, and then we're going to say react to on percent on kind. So if we save that, we're back in not here and refresh. So now you see we're now looking exactly like this. So we're going to do that with CSS. So let's continue. So we're going to open a new file, save that, index.css, go back here and link our HTML to our CSS file. You can just say link CSS, and we're going to say index.css. So save that. I'm going to say body padding 0, margin 0, background color 0, background color black, color white, font family, save that. We chose the wrong font family, so let's choose the right font family. Okay, so we have the right font family now. So last two things we need to do, we're gonna say h1 display flex justify content center align items also center, and then we're going to do the same thing for span. So if we save that, we're back and refresh. Now you see we're looking like this. So now we're going to open a new file, save that index.js. So we're going to link our HTML to our JavaScript file. We're going to say script source index.javascript. So first thing we're going to say, let's name one equal to document dot get element by ID name. So I'm gonna say let's react equal to document dot get element by ID react. So save that. We're gonna move back here and paste it. I'm gonna put this as 2 and react 2. So we're going to say let's first q equal to prompt, and then we're going to say what is your name. Then we're gonna put a question mark. So we're going to say let's second question equal to prompt what is your favorite color? And then we're gonna say let's third question equal to prompt how old are you? We're gonna put a question mark. We forgot to put a question mark here. So we're going to say let's fourth question equal to prompt again. Would you choose between helping between comma A helping a beggar on the streets, or B helping an orphanage. orphanage. And put a question mark. So the last one, we're gonna say let's fifth question equal to prompt, and then we're going to say would you choose between A, playing football, also known as soccer, or B, playing basketball. You can just make random questions. This doesn't mean anything. So we're going to say let's AQ, as answer question, equal to Math.ceil Math.random 100. So we're gonna say let's AQQ Math.ceil Math.random, and then we're going to say 100 also. So we're gonna say let's AQQQ equal to AQ minus AQQ. So now we're going to say name one dot inner HTML equal to first Q, and then we're going to say react dot inner HTML equal to AQ, and react2 dot inner HTML equal to AQQ. So if we say that, we're back here. So we're gonna answer all the questions. So we're gonna put a random name, Jake, favorite color, sorry I spelled Blair. I'm gonna put 23. That's not my real age. VA. So it says Jake, you are 59% kind and 63% unkind. So that's the end of this video. I hope you like, subscribe, try to do more of these on your own, and hit the notification bell so if I post any videos, you'll be the first to know. My name is Micah, and this was Micah's Coding Class. Thank you.